What's up, YouTube? This is Anon, as I'm currently going by on YouTube. How's it going, guys? Not going to be showing my face like everyone else on these channels, but I do have an unboxing for you guys today. Couple items from AppMex. I'm amazed at how fast this one package here came. I ordered this on... let me see. Today is Wednesday. I ordered this on, I want to say Monday or, Sunday. Basically, it shipped on Monday, I believe, and it got here today on Wednesday from Oklahoma going to California. That's pretty quick. So, got a few items here and a few items here, both from AppMex. Let's cut into these. Wish I had better blinds set up. I have to fix the light in my other room so that I can do these unboxings in there. But yeah, right now I'm doing this in my living room. So anyway, let's get into this. Hope you guys can see okay. I don't have a tripod, so forgive me for if I get off camera here or there. Oh, that's nice. POS. There we go. Ripping it is just going to be the way to go. Alright. Here's this camera a little bit. Alright. So, get that. Oh, yeah. This is several rounds I ordered. Alright, so we've got, let's see, in order. I probably already saw some of that. So we got the, this comes in a capsule. That is nice. Oh, that is super nice. So happy about that purchase. All right, we got, it's the Blacksmith round. Very nice. I guess that's I think that's the obverse. And then on the reverse, I need to get it out of this bag to really see it, but you can see it's part of it right there. It says, destiny is not a matter of choice. It is a matter of something. I can't read it all, actually. But that one is very cool. Around 2 ounce silver. 3/9's fine, I'm assuming. But yeah, very cool. Comes in a capsule. Nice. It was kind of a little bit more expensive, for people that are really concerned with price. It was like $45 for the 2 ounces, but I think it's well worth it, and it's a cool collectible item. I forget the mint. I want to say it's like Intaglio or something, but I don't know. Anyway, and then on to the next, we've got, I had to get at least one of these guys. Don't ask me why I didn't have one before, and why I guess I went with the Mint Direct Premier from AppMex for this guy. Because I don't know, it's a limit. The mintage is kind of lower for these guys, I think, for 2019. I want to say, and it's definitely a beautiful coin, and I do like these packaging. It's like a cheap man's non-graded slab, Is what I feel like these are from AppMex, and it's kind of cool getting them with the Premier. This one's got a bubble. Whoa, a noticeable bubble. That's cool. But you get them, with the fresh strikes within 30 days of minting the new coins of the new year, I guess. Okay, now these are a new one for me too. Very beautiful. Like that they come. I mean, they don't come in a capsule now, so they're not like at the status of like a Kookaburra or anything like that. But the Somalian elephant, minted in Germany, focus. Minted in Germany by, I forget which mint, but beautiful bullion coin there. Well, bullion round, actually. That's, no, that's a coin denomination, 100 shillings, I think, right? You can't see it right now. It's in this bag. I typically keep them in the bags also. So, yeah, unless it gets to be a crazy situation in my safe. But yeah, it is 100 shillings. And so, yeah, that's that bag right there. So some pretty cool goodies. 5 ounces of silver in total for right there. Not bad. This is, you know, a little over $100. Got the free shipping, and you know. Now let's get into the bigger boy here. Oh, I think I see a way to open this that's rather smart. Oh yeah, look at that. It's got a little tab that you can pull, and then we'll at least get started. And then yeah, just finger open it. Nice. Very cool. All right, don't even need this anymore then, I don't think. So away goes the knife. My cat is jealous of the attention I'm giving to this box. Oh. What? Oh yeah, the America the Beautiful. Okay, yeah. I was forgetting that I had something that came in a nice package. Alright, so got all my invoice information over here. I always keep that. See, put that in the area that I put it. Alright. Okay, so first things first, I had to get one of these. I still want to get one in the 5 ounce, but it is the ever popular Aztec calendar. First one I've ever picked up. I just wanted to get a bullion round of it because you know, it's a nice coin. It's a nice round, and I like the design, and it's rather affordable. So picked one up, just throw it on the stack, throw it in the collection. You know, I like to be diverse in my stack. As far as I'm kind of I would call myself like a semi-numismatist stacker. Maybe I don't go with the constitutional numismatist type stuff or numismatics type stuff like you know, your Morgans and your peace dollars. I'm not really down with that, but I do like the newer, more modern, more. And when I say modern, I mean like what you would say like contemporary, you know, not modern, but like contemporary. And so this is actually my first Britannia here, folks. I'm not a huge fan of. I mean, I think the Royal Mint's all right. I guess their minting and everything is good. I like the Queen's Beast; those are cool. But the Britannia, I've never been a huge fan of. It's like, first of all, I have this weird thing with like 3/9 fine silver over 4/9 fine. I feel like if you're a premium mint and you're making premium things, like you know, they know they can do it. They do it in the Queen's Beast series, which kind of weirded me out. I'm like, why are you guys doing 3/9 fine silver with your Britannias and then 4/9 fine with your Queen's Beasts? So that's kind of weird for the Royal Mint to do, I feel like. But I know it doesn't really matter. It's all investment grade silver. But I just rather have, if I can, 4/9 fine when you're paying for a premium silver coin or a round. All right, and then I got this, folks, uncirculated coin. So that's going to be the burnished version. I had to get one, even if it wasn't like maybe particularly the best, most desirable design to me, you know. I found one on APMEX that was not too badly priced. You know, it was like $150, maybe $155, I want to say, or something like that. Paid with a check. I think maybe I paid with a credit card. It was stupid. I don't know. I do that sometimes when I'm just rushing. Oh, this is beautiful. Got it right here, popping out the package. They're pretty tight in there. Wow. Ooh, got it out though. So let's check this out. It is the Homestead, Nebraska. Very nice finish on it. Matte finish. You can see all the details very well. 2015 year as well. And I got this for only, you know, $50 over the regular, I think, about. Coin flip on this guy, $quarter denomination. Woohoo! Take that to the bank. That is some serious buying power right there, guys. No, wow, that is strange. You notice that? See that black stuff up on the left, right here? What is that? Oh wow, they messed up. There's black shit all over. Wow. Yeah. I can get it out, I think. Yeah, it looks like it does come out. Need like some sort of razor blade maybe that'll get it out. Oh man, that is weird. Wow, that is so strange. Coin doesn't seem to be affected by it. But holy bejesus. It's all over. Just oh, and the coin. Oh no, that's on the casing. Okay, yeah, we're good. Okay, dang, that is unfortunate. I feel like it's part of the this fluff stuff right here, maybe the blackness. See how it's blackened there? That's the only thing that would make sense to me. How you get that crap in there? It's just like it's like deep in the crevice. So it's been in there supposedly for 4 years, I guess, and may have been jostled around somewhat wherever. But damn, not gonna open the capsule, and the only way to get rid of that stuff is to basically like take a razor blade or something and try to fish it around the sides and scrape it out. But I'm not gonna do that. So yeah, 5 ounces though. The stack. I'm going to keep this in its packaging, so it's going to be interesting where I put it. It'll have to just be somewhere like a cereal box or something. Yeah, anyway, that's really all she wrote, folks, for this video. This video. Got a bunch of silver, but not a bunch, but got a decent amount to add to the stack, which is always nice. And that's all she wrote. So, till next time.